Hello everyone, I'm Majorvel. Welcome to my channel. This week we are going to make the body of the yoke from last week. You already know the stitch. You will see how easy. I made a short sleeve. Size is XL. Chest contour is 106 centimeters or 41.7 inches. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. If you liked it, leave me a like and a comment of love. Thank you. In my blog I leave you a small graphic pattern. Total materials: 300 grams thread baby merino, 2.5mm hook. The stitch is a sequence of 7 rows that repeat. I have worked 3 borders, 16 centimeters or 6.5 inches. I'm done with 440 stitches, 100 and 100 sleeves, 120 front and 120 back. Now we are going to join the front with the back. Mark the parts. We are going to join with row 6. Work the 120 stitches on the front. 4 chains. Skip 1 stitch. 1 double crochet. 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch. 1 double crochet. 1 chain. Work the 120 stitches on the front. Once you have the 120 stitches in the front, there are 2 options. Skip the sleeve, or if you need like me, add some chains between the back and the front. I'm going to add 10 chains. Skip the sleeve. Look, that way I look bigger. Continue the 120 back stitches. 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch. 1 double crochet. 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch. 1 double crochet. Continue the 120 back stitches. Once you have the 120 stitches in the front, I'm going to add 10 chains. Skip the sleeve. Finish the row with slip stitch. Next row. 3 chains. 1 double crochet in each stitch. Finish the row with slip stitch. Next row. Three chains. Two double crochet cluster. 5 chains. Skip 1 stitch. 3 double crochet cluster. Five chains. Skip 1 stitch. 3 double crochet cluster. Five chains. Skip 1 stitch. 3 double crochet cluster. Now we just have to repeat the yoke pattern in row 2, skipping 1 stitch. I have worked for 5 borders. 30 centimeters or 11.8 inches. If you want, you can finish with an elastic stitch. The sleeves. We start from under the arm. I have made a short sleeve with 3 borders, but you can make it longer. Start from the center of the 10 chains. Three chains. Two double crochet cluster. Five chains. Skip 1 stitch. 3 double crochet cluster. 5 chains. Skip 1 stitch. 3 double crochet cluster. Five chains. Skip 1 stitch. 3 double crochet cluster. Repeat the sequence until the end of the row. Try to square up the drawing. Finish the row with slip stitch. You have to have the same stitches on one side and the other. Now you just have to repeat the stitch sequence, as we have worked so far. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for seeing me. See you in the next tutorial.